Alright guys, I'm here trying to get glass to make my aquarium, but I have no idea what what's the best size glass. In other words, the thickness of the glass and like a regular glass. So I'm just kind of trying to find one of those workers to see if they can assist me. I'm on here, so. Ronnie, see your work? Yeah. You can come, Ronnie?
Yeah, man. I'll just cut some material.
Okay. We need one glass. Well, 5 pieces of glass. One for the bottom and the 4 sides. We don't need none for the top for one aquarium.
Well, 1/4-inch glass will be recommended.
1/4-inch glass will be recommended.
That's the best glass, I think.
Okay.
For it.
What's the difference between laminated and...
Huh? You have a protected shield on the inside, so in case the glass breaks, you won't be cracked and go broken.
So, wouldn't this be a better one to get it? No? A regular glass? Aquarium. Aquarium.
3x laminated.
No? This a 1/4? So the one outside bigger? Really?
Yeah, so you have a piece and I need it.
But this is the one outside?
No, this is the one that's inside. This is water.
No. What type of glass is this?
This is regular glass.
Oh, regular glass. That's why.
This is a 3x laminated. So it has a piece.
Oh, so 2 pieces in one?
Yeah. But you have a plastic piece on the inside.
Oh, okay. Guys, I just take the time out, this part of the video, to say that I've been posting anything for a long while because I've been going through a lot. I mean, a lot. And I don't want to take my personal life or my family life into social media. But in the midst of all that, I lost my son's father just a little week ago. And I just want to take the time out to a moment in silence for him. And I would appreciate if you could do so. Thank you very much. May his soul rest in peace. Hi guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Many of you wondering what is I was gonna do today. Okay, my last video, if you had followed me, I did a water fountain and looking very beautiful. It's still functionable, but today I'm gonna first building a fish tank, which we all know is an aquarium, and I have my glass, 5 pieces of glass. I'm using this, it's the 100% silicone, and I have the silicone gun to use with it, and I have my tape to hold it in place. Then after this video, I'll be showing you another one where I'll be decorating and putting in my fishes. I really like animals. The last pet that I had was a cat. I don't know, I heard that. I wake up one morning, couldn't find my cat. I mean, I really love my cat. This cat was very, very special to me. Many people might say, cat? Yeah, my cat. Oh, Jamaican people say, push thief. My cat has never, ever stolen anything. I trained that cat with nipple bottle. I had that cat from, she was a baby. And it might sound funny, but the first time my cat, which is, I called her Fluffy. First time she saw a rat, she run. She run so. My son didn't like that. Say, you know, puss must learn to catch rat and all them something, but It's like that. So my next step from a cat to a dog, yeah. Yo, go sit down. Yo, the little dog, man. No come, wow. Father help me. You're too happy. Told you. What? Sure. Where am I go? Lucky, what the fuck? If you ever bite the shoes, me beat you today. Behave, if you behave. Stop! You need to stop. I had that dog indirectly right now. But based on how much dogs need attention and all that, I'm up and about, busy and all that. So I don't want to let that dog feeling sad. So yeah, I was thinking of bird, which I may have later on. But for now, I'm gonna go with fishes. Not sure what type of fish yet, but I'm gonna first build the fish a house. So here am I today, gonna do an aquarium, and it's not really big. It's a 12 by 30. I wanted a 12 by 24, but it's 24 kind of too. I want something a little bit bigger than that. So I'm using a 12 by 30. So the two sides will be 12, and the bottom and the rectangular side will be 30. So watch me, guys, as I go through the process for the very first time. Please do leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber, and also share my videos. Please, I'm asking. Me literally I beg. So put me on the road, guys, please. When I like a video, when I subscribe to the video, when I do not do the video. So may I beg you, please. If you can't do that for me now, pick up yourself. Alright, so let me get things going now, guys. Enough of talking. So I'll show you next what I'm gonna do. Guys, this silicone, I think it should come off like that. As I said, it's my first time. Right. It has a hole, and I look, there's a knife there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip a little piece. Oh Lord, not too big. Right. I think that's good enough. This then I think screw on. I already cut that little piece off. So let me screw that on. This is to put this to cover it. Alright, so now it's time for me to put this on. Alright. I'm just gonna do a little tester on just to see if it's coming out. I don't want to wait until I reach on the glass because there's no room for error here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do something on, just squeeze a little bit onto something and see how best it works. That is it. If you see it slightly coming out, I don't want to waste it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is to start working. Okay, first thing, guys, so I'm gonna do, say, about 1/4 of an inch. I'm gonna actually put the silicone. I'm gonna go all the way down. sure this edge to this edge is accurate. So I see a little piece extra out here, so I don't know if they had cut the glass square enough. And I'm gonna do that at every side, leaving a little piece out, 1/4 of an inch.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Guys, what happened here now is that I actually turned the glass upside down, meaning the part that you're looking at with the tape should have been at the bottom. But it's square enough, so it plays out well. But it's actually a guideline. But it is a last glass, as you can see, so I just have to fit it in that place. So it's not big deal, but I just want to also take the time out that they cut the glass a bit small, shorter, especially the bottom piece. It should have been 30.5, and they cut it 29.75. So having a bit of struggle to having to set the two small pieces at the edge, because you have to put them on top of the bottom piece. So therefore the bottom piece has to be a little bit bigger. So I have a bit of challenge to do that. And as you watch, see the process, look what happened. Just because the glass, I didn't have as much space, and I tried my best with the silicone. And with the silicone is another story. So this video didn't play out good for me at all. I know I'm going through a bit of stressful situation right now, but it's all about that, honestly. But just look and watch the process, guys. I'm gonna leave to dry for like 24 hours. So tomorrow this time or a little later, I make sure I come back. So guys, my silicone dry. Good. Trying to take off the tape. So I'm down to my last few pieces, and even though I put in this side wrong, as I was saying, it's just for guidelines, so it works out good. And the additional silicone will be removed, just the little edges them. So I'm gonna take off the excess silicone, and then after I'll be cleaning. You know, sometimes when you're doing it, your fingers and some might smash, smudge, yeah, smudge the glass. So I'm gonna use lacquer thinner with paper towel to clean the area. Take this out the way. If you realize that if you're cleaning it and it's not coming off, you can use a razor and just pull it off like that. Okay, this is on the inside. Just like that. So I'll continue to clean on the other side. So guys, after I finish cleaning, what I'll be doing, I'll be just testing for any water leak. The reason I just put over like this, it can be on either side. So in order for that, I just make it one thing. See, shiny. You wanna get your fish swimming clean. Guys, this might take a little time, but let me just pour water in. And if I say test for leak, you know, but may I check it that way there. Splash here and there. No, sir. Me no problem, you know, God. You know, say it a leak, though.
Remember good, you know. I know me did tell you if you go do it, you know.
Father in heaven. It a leak, you know, guys. You see it? I mean, I do a good job. See it a leak here, so. God have mercy. It's a leak here, so. They're so good. And it's a leak around this, so. So you know that I forgot to know for re-silicone. Here, so, and this, so. So I have to re-seal it. Guys, it's my first time using silicone. I've never entangled with it before. I don't know if it's the glass or what, but my skin was like a thorn in my flesh. So all that I'm showing you is the better part of me. I had was to rush to see a doctor because my skin was like itchy, like sore. So it's the I'm actually allergic to the silicone product. So I have to get somebody now to finish up to reseal the fish tank for me. So guys, as soon as I get the person to finish up the fish tank, that will be a part 2 of this fish tank. Thank you all guys for watching. Please do like my video, share, comment, and if you're not yet a subscriber, please do subscribe. And don't forget to keep me in your prayers as I go through difficult times at this time. Have a wonderful day. Thank you guys.